Alright, so let's talk about angles. First, let's start with some angle types. You might have seen this already. So a straight angle looks like a straight line. So you go to 180. Obtuse angles are greater than 90, but less than 180. Acute angles, they're cute and they're tiny, and they're less than 90 degrees. And a right angle is 90 degrees. Alright, how do we name angles? So you can name this guy 4 different ways. You can call it angle B. You can call it angle 1. You can call it angle ABC, or you can call it angle CBA. You must have the vertex in the middle if you decide to use the letter system. Notice the vertex B is in the middle, and then here I'm just calling it by the vertex. And the vertex is just where we find the angle opening. Then you can also call it by the number. Do not mix up that ordering. For example, do not call this angle CAB. That would be wrong, right? You need that letter B in the middle. Alright, so vertical angles are equal to each other. Here's what they look like. When two lines intersect, you will always get vertical angles. They are directly opposite each other and they are equal to each other. So if angle 1 is 100 degrees, angle 2 is automatically 100 degrees. Supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. You can see they are embedded on a straight angle. So we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180 degrees. Suppose angle 1 is 100 degrees. Then we know that angle 2, this is 100, we know angle 2 must automatically be 80 degrees. Complementary angles, they add up to 90 degrees. So suppose angle 1 is 50 degrees, we can say angle 2 is 40 degrees. They add up to 90 degrees. You can see they are embedded on a right angle. Adjacent angles, they're just angles that share a side and they're next to each other. So angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent. But also, we can apply that to these guys. These are also adjacent. Angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent here. Angle 1 and angle 2 are also adjacent here. Alright, let's do some problems. Which angle number represents angle DEA? So find angle DEA. Follow the letter trail, DEA. That's referring to here, so you want to just focus on where that opening is. So DEA is angle 4. How about HKO? Follow the letter trail. Start with H, go to K, then go to O. So it's talking about this angle here. That's angle 11. Let me go ahead and just erase this because it's getting a little messy. Which angle is vertical? So remember what vertical angles look like. They're directly opposite from each other, like that. So it says which angle is vertical to angle DEA. So DEA is over here, right? DEA is here. That would be angle 6. You can also call it angle FEH. Which angle is vertical to BCA? Where is BCA? Here is BCA. Right here, you see it? Vertical to that would be angle 2. Then it says which angle is supplementary to angle 7. Let's go ahead and find that bad boy. Here's angle 7. Supplementary to it. Right over here, you can see this is a straight angle. So in order to be supplementary to angle 7, it has to add up to 180. And then since angle 8 is adjacent to it and they form a straight angle, we could say that supplementary to angle 7 is angle 8. How about supplementary to angle 14? Well, we actually have 2 options for that one. So supplementary to angle 14, you could see that angle 14 and angle 15 are supplementary. So we could say angle 15, but then also, if we go this way, like this, angle 14 and angle 13 are also supplementary. And it says which angle is adjacent to angle LKJ. So here is LKJ. Adjacent means that they share a side. So angle 10 and angle 12 share a side with angle LKJ. So that's angle 10 and angle 12. All right, finally, we got angle BCA is 75. What's the measure of angle 2? Well, they're vertical, so it's angle 2 is also 75. And then finally, angle BCA is 75. What's the measure of angle 3? Well, then these guys are supplementary, right? You can see that they're supplementary. They form a straight angle. So then just do 180 minus 75, and you get your answer, which is 105 degrees. All right, so that's a brief overview of vertical, supplementary, and complementary angles. Hope this helps. Have a good one.